we need to understand what a job seeker is looking for and what is changing with respect to the requirement of the job seeker during this period. That is a core issue even before we touch the point around visuals, tonality, and language. But what possibly you are also referring to, any job seeker, because it's a period of transition, a job seeker may want to get into an organization which does two things, which brings in predictability and which gives an opportunity for the professional to do his or her trade. These are the two things. Now, the question is, how do you present it? So, I think the most important thing is, I think during this period, a person may want to know more about the current state of the organization. And therefore, I think every such engagement have to be more patient. It has to revolve around the possibilities. It has to also give the right perspective around what are the possible changes. Say, for example, this is the period when whole lot of people from freshly they enter the job market, and there are certain ways in which they would have thought of how it will unfold. Now we have to be transparent there. What is possible, what is not possible, what remains the same, which are the new challenges. So I think we have to start this question by looking at the anxieties and the needs of the job seeker. And my thought process is there could be many, but the thought process is the job seeker is wanting to look at uh, some element of continuity. The most important point is what is the individual getting into. So we do essentially two things. One is sharing, say, for example, if you see, I'm just giving an example on LinkedIn, the entire summer internship program that happens. We have a very nice, you can say, program which is called Beat the Curve, wherein people from across campuses they come and participate, and we float a theme around which they write papers. And actually, it's a working model. So I'm just taking these two examples. So first is my belief is it's a way of showcasing and it's a way of sharing. And today that is possible, and we use it effectively. And the second is what Dr. Ankita mentioned is this also gives a little window into how the pool is actually thinking and seriously pick up a few of them. What does it mean? Would you like to really look at a process? Would you really like to, and I think these are the two critical things which would be there.